So you want to get your Smartsheet updates directly in your Microsoft Teams, so your team never missed a task or deadline. In this video, I will show you exactly how to integrate Smartsheet with Microsoft Team in a few steps. So you don't have to know about any coding. Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify tools and automations so you can get more done with less efforts. If you enjoy this kind of videos or tutorial, then like this video, hit the subscribe button and check the link in the description to get some special offers. Now let's get into it. So first of all, now open your favorite browser and make sure you log in both of this platform, Smartsheet and the Microsoft Team. Now go to the Zapier and create an account here if you don't have any account. So just click on this create button, go with Zaps, then give it a name of this workflow. Now click on this add trigger and search for the Smartsheet. Now select it. Here just choose a trigger. So for this example, I am going with this new row, and you have to log in your Smartsheet account here. So you can see there is a sign in button. Just click on that and it will see like this. The process is similar. So if you click on that sign in, it will show this kind of interface. So just allow this, and that's it. Basically you will be connected with Smartsheet and the Zapier. Now click on this continue. Now choose a sheet here like this one. Now click on this continue. Now if you want, then you can test this trigger. Okay, it's properly working. Now let's click on this continue to set the action. Now search for the Microsoft Team or only Team. So here it is, just select that. Similarly, add an action here. It will reply to a channel message. Okay, so I have created a channel here, the test Smartsheet. Now here I have to sign in my Microsoft Team account to connect it with Zapier. So just clicking this sign in, and similarly you have to connect your Microsoft account here. Just click on this accept. Okay, it's saying it's only support the work or the school account, but I have the personal Microsoft account which is not supported. So remember this, you have to use the work or school Microsoft account, then you can connect it. So after just connecting this, let me tell you, just click on this add account to continue. Then you have to just be on this configure as we select the sheet here. Similarly, in this configuration, you have to select the channel for the Microsoft Team. Okay, and you have to choose that. So after that, if you click on this continue, then it will be integrated with your Smartsheet. So basically this is how you can connect the Smartsheet with Microsoft Team by the help of Zapier. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.